What's up, you guys? So for today, we're gonna put this leg mount to the test.
Which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear. I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here. The sound of deafening fear. Don't die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-A-I-F-E right in your side. You will never see me coming. Don't die if you.
Those shots are made possible using this. Yes, it is not a new product. It is just the old Insta360 extension mount like the ones you see on an MTB package. But it will be mounted to your leg by using this pair of Velcro straps. It may not look stable, but it is stable enough to capture videos like this. And yes, you can also use the SP Gadgets POV extender. Now, because you stayed up to this part of the video, I have a bonus content for you. See these mounts? You can strap them to the vents of your helmet so you can take shots that looks like this.
Right mount gray descent using the horn mount. Let's go!
I hope you may find today's upload very useful. And if you like what you saw, don't forget to give us anything. Like, comment, or subscribe. Peace.